I'm out here with the Spark, but I am going to try to use one of these parabolic antennas with it. As you see here, this little setup. So we're going to try that and see if we can get this thing flying a little bit better than it has been. Okay, so we're going to check this out here in a second. It's a little bit windy, but who cares, right? It's a Spark. If it takes a shit, it takes a shit. Who cares?
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Now I set the white balance to cloudy, and now the damn sun just came out. Go figure. Oh yeah, this is a lot better with this thing on here, guys. Oh yeah. This thing's flying a lot better with this thing on here. A lot better. Oh yeah, I'm not getting any breakup or anything. This is really a lot better. Oh yeah. So you got to get some of these things, okay? Way better, way better. Flew the spark out here with the parabolic antenna. There it is right there. There's the spark. Flew way better than it's been flying with that on there. Hardly lost any signal, didn't have any breakups or any of that artifacting. Flew it out there, 1,000 feet or whatever. I mean, I wasn't getting 200 feet out of that thing and it kept breaking up and doing all this crazy stuff. So I think getting a little set of these things is the way to go with this thing. So yeah, flew a lot better with those and that range booster thing on there. I call it antenna. It's not an antenna. It's an antenna enhancer, you know, one of them deals. But yeah, it flew great. All right, I'm happy with that. What do I got left in the battery? I still got 48% battery. Holy cow. All right, I'm gonna cut the video. That went 7 minutes. And we'll just land.
Landing.
Awesome. Awesome. That's the best this thing has flown in a while, guys, a while. All right. Good stuff. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.